Continuing to get you all the latest updates on Cyclone Nisarga, let's focus also on what's happening in Gujarat. The cyclonic storm brewing in the Arabian Sea is moving towards southern Gujarat and is expected to hit the coast near Daman. A high tide has already been reported in Daman in southern Gujarat. The regions of Valsad, Navsari, Dang, Daman, Dadar and Nagar Haveli as well as Surat will receive heavy rainfall. Wind speed is likely to be lower in coastal Gujarat. 16 NDRF teams have already been deployed in Gujarat. The Indian Coast Guard has issued warnings to fishermen and several areas have been evacuated. On Tuesday, Prime Minister Modi spoke to the Gujarat Chief Minister as well as the Maharashtra Chief Minister regarding the cyclone situation and assured all possible support and assistance from the centre. High tide already being reported in Daman. We are also seeing mass evacuations from these parts of southern Gujarat, which is expected to face the brunt of Cyclone Nisarga from this afternoon. Already going by what our reporters are telling us from the ground, heavy rain has been reported in the area. The wind speeds are also slowly picking up and the government at this point is not leaving anything to chance. That's why they've ensured that all these areas are completely cleared off, especially people who are living in areas which could easily be inundated and also people who don't live in concrete homes. Red alert has been issued in parts of southern Gujarat. There are a number of districts that have been put on high alert at this point, where the administration is working overtime to ensure evacuations take place and to ensure that anyone who stays in low-lying areas is immediately moved to a shelter. Fishermen have also been warned against going out at this point. An advisory has been issued by the government. But the real challenge is in the fact that we're dealing with the coronavirus crisis, both in the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra, and at such a time, we're dealing also with the cyclone. All right, let's also focus now on the situation in Mumbai. Remember, there also it's going to be, the impact of the cyclone is going to be felt. And the cyclone is actually hitting Mumbai after over 120 years. Mumbai residents have also been bracing for the storm. One such Mumbai resident is joining us on this broadcast to tell us how they're preparing now for this cyclone. Thank you for joining us. Just show us around your house how you've prepared, for how you're bracing yourself and your family for the cyclone.
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
If you could just show us around your home and how you've prepared for the cyclone.
Yeah, I'll show you. See this. I'll show you first around. This is a sea. This is a sea, which is our house is right in front of this sea, and this is the Bombay Harbour. On this left-hand side, there's a Taj Hotel. The entire area. Now it's covered with cloud, and the island which you see just in the straight line on the right hand side, Alibag is situated. On a clear day you can see Alibag lights and all, and the water current is becoming stronger as the time passes. The waves are becoming stronger and higher, and we have drawn our curtains here, as you can see, because in case of the wind hitting at 120 speed, there is a chance that some glass may break down. So we have drawn the curtain to ensure that the glass don't come in the room. And we have also disconnected all our television sets, etc., so that in case of any electric short circuit due to lightning, it should not get damaged, which it got damaged last time. About a couple of years back, there was a lighting in the building. There was a lighting which had stuck at the corner, and there was an emergency created. And we have made sure that one window remains open to avoid any kind of breakage, because all the windows are closed. the opposite side window, small window, will be kept open to maintain pressure. Otherwise your glass pen can break. So to prevent.
Okay, Mr. Narula, thank you for showing us around your house. But have you received any advisory also from the government on certain do's and don'ts as get set for the cyclone to hit?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.